Welcome back to Let's Talk English, your cozy little place to learn real English through real conversations and real feelings.
Yeah, welcome back, welcome back. And before anything else, how are you doing today? Like honestly, not the fine, good, busy answer, the real answer.
Oh, the real answer. Okay, honestly, I am already thinking about the weekend, and it is only Tuesday.
Same. My brain left for the weekend on Monday morning. My body's still here, but my brain, gone.
Yes, it is like your brain sends a little message that says, "Hey, I will be back on Monday. Have a nice week without me."
Exactly. And this actually brings us to today's topic in a very natural way.
It does, yes. Today, we're talking about how to talk about your weekend plans in English. Like, what are you doing this weekend? How do you answer that question naturally? How do you make plans, share plans, ask about plans?
Because this question, what are you doing this weekend? It sounds so simple, but many learners freeze a little when they hear it.
Ah, yes, that freeze moment. You know the words, you understand the question, but then your brain says, wait, how do I say this in English?
And then you end up just saying nothing much, or I don't know yet, and the conversation stops.
Exactly. And we want to change that today. So if you are on a bus, walking, washing dishes, welcome. You are in the right place.
Yeah, no ticket needed, no passport, just your headphones and a little English time.
This is your tiny English vacation for the next few minutes.
Okay, Sarah, so let's get into it. Let's talk like real people talk. If someone asks you, hey, what are you doing this weekend? What do you actually say?
Oh, okay. So this weekend, I actually have a few things planned. On Saturday, I'm going to visit my parents. We have not seen each other in a while, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Oh, that's nice. And looking forward to it, that is such a useful phrase, right? When you're looking forward to something, you're excited and happy about something that is coming.
Yes. For example, I am looking forward to the weekend, or I'm really looking forward to seeing my family. It feels warm, you know? It's not just, I will go. It says, I am happy about this.
I love that. You can even say, I've been looking forward to this all week. That means the whole week you were waiting and excited.
Exactly. And it sounds so natural, so much better than just, I will go to my parents' house.
Not wrong, but a little flat. Okay, so Saturday is family time. What about Sunday?
Sunday, I want to keep it low-key.
Oh, low-key, yes. Tell the listeners what that means.
So low-key means relaxed, simple, nothing too big or exciting. Like, I just want a quiet day, no big plans. Maybe stay home, make some nice food, watch something.
I love a low-key Sunday, honestly. No stress, no schedule, just existing.
Just existing, yes. That is the dream.
So you can say, this Sunday I want to keep it low-key, or I'm planning a low-key evening, and people immediately understand, chill and relaxed.
Yes, and low-key is very natural in conversation. People use it all the time.
Okay, my turn. This weekend I'm thinking of catching up with an old friend.
Oh, catching up. That's another good one. So catching up means you meet someone after a long time and you talk about everything that happened in your lives. You fill each other in.
Right, like we haven't talked in months, so we need to catch up. Or let us meet for coffee and catch up.
It's such a friendly phrase. It feels warm, like the relationship matters.
Exactly. And catching up doesn't have to be a big event. It can just be a phone call, a coffee, a walk. The point is you're reconnecting.
Ah, yes, reconnecting. Spending time with someone you missed.
And honestly, I'm really looking forward to it. We use that phrase again.
See? Naturally. That's how it works. You hear a phrase in a real conversation and your brain starts to remember it in context.
Okay, so we talked about Saturday and Sunday plans, but sometimes the weekend does not go as planned, right?
Oh, absolutely. Sometimes you have big plans and then life happens.
Life happens. That is such a real phrase, like, I had plans, but life happened.
So what do you say when your plans change? Like when you had something planned, but now you cannot do it?
You can say, something came up. That is a very natural phrase. Something came up means an unexpected thing happened that changed your plans.
For example, I was planning to go to the park, but something came up and I had to stay home. Or, sorry, I cannot make it, something came up at work.
It is polite, it is natural, and it explains the situation without too many details.
Yes, and the other person understands immediately. They don't feel bad. They know life is busy sometimes.
And then you can reschedule. That means make a new plan for a different time. Like, can we reschedule for next weekend? Or let's reschedule and meet next Saturday instead.
Reschedule is such a useful word in real life, especially now when everyone is busy and plans change all the time.
Ah, yes, the age of rescheduling.
We should make t-shirts. Let's reschedule.
I would buy that. Okay, Sarah, what about when you do not have plans yet? Because sometimes someone asks, what are you doing this weekend? And honestly, you have no idea.
Yes, and this is where many learners get a little stuck because they want to say the right thing, but they're not sure how.
So what are some natural ways to say, I don't have plans yet?
Okay, so you can say, I haven't decided yet. That's simple and honest. Or, I'm keeping it open. That means your weekend is free and you're not planning anything specific.
Oh, I like I'm keeping it open. That sounds relaxed, like you are free, but you're also open to possibilities.
Exactly. And you can add, if something comes up, I'll join. That means if there's a nice plan, you are ready to say yes.
So it's like, I have no plans, but I am available, which is actually a very social answer.
Yes, and it keeps the conversation going. The other person might even say, oh, nice. Do you want to join us then?
And suddenly, you have weekend plans.
Language working for you. That's the goal.
Okay, let's also talk about one more situation. What if someone invites you to something, but you're not sure if you can go?
Ah, yes, the maybe situation.
The maybe situation. So what do you say in English when you're not sure?
Very naturally, you can say, I'll try to make it. That means, I will try to come, but I'm not 100% sure.
For example, sounds fun, I'll try to make it. Or, I'm not sure yet, but I'll try to make it.
And the other person knows, okay, maybe yes, maybe no, no pressure, very friendly.
You can also say, let me check and get back to you. That means I need to look at my schedule first, and then I will tell you.
That is so polite and natural, like, let me check my schedule and I'll get back to you by tomorrow. People really appreciate that kind of answer.
Because it shows you're taking the invitation seriously, but you're also being honest.
Exactly. Better than just maybe, which can feel a little cold sometimes.
Okay, so we have talked about a lot today. Making plans, talking about them naturally, when plans change, and how to answer when you're not sure. And now, our favorite part.
The word tour.
Yes, let's slow down and walk through some of the key phrases from today. Nice and slow, no rush.
Okay, let's go. First one, looking forward to something. When you are looking forward to something, you're excited and happy about a future event. For example, I'm really looking forward to the weekend, or I'm looking forward to seeing you. Repeat slowly, looking forward to.
Next phrase, keep it low-key. When you keep something low-key, you keep it relaxed and simple, nothing too big or exciting. For example, this weekend I want to keep it low-key. Or, we had a low-key dinner at home. Slowly, keep it low-key.
Next one, catch up. When you catch up with someone, you meet them after a long time and share what's new in your lives. For example, let's catch up over coffee. Or, I need to catch up with my old friend. Slowly, catch up.
Next phrase, something came up. When something comes up, an unexpected event happens that changes your plans. For example, sorry, I can't come, something came up. Or, my plans changed because something came up. Slowly, something came up.
Next one, reschedule. When you reschedule, you change a plan to a different time. For example, can we reschedule for next week? Or, let's reschedule our meeting. Slowly, reschedule.
Next phrase, keeping it open. When you keep your weekend open, you have no fixed plans and you are free. For example, I have no plans yet. I'm keeping it open. Or, let's keep Saturday open and decide later. Slowly, keeping it open.
Next one, I'll try to make it. This means you will try to come, but you're not completely sure. For example, sounds like fun, I'll try to make it. Or, I'm not sure yet, but I'll try to make it. Slowly, I'll try to make it.
And our last one, let me check and get back to you. This means you need to look at your schedule first and then you will give an answer. For example, let me check my plans and get back to you. Or, I'm not sure right now, let me check and get back to you by tomorrow. Slowly, let me check and get back to you.
Beautiful. You don't need to remember all 8 today. Just pick 1 or 2 that feel useful for your real life and try to use them this week.
And you know, the best way to remember a new phrase is to use it one time in a real sentence. So your small homework today is this.
Yes, think about your weekend, real or imaginary, and make one simple sentence using a phrase from today. For example, this weekend, I'm looking forward to a low-key Sunday at home. Or, I have no plans yet, I'm keeping it open.
Say it out loud. Say it to yourself in the mirror, on the bus, in the shower, wherever. That one sentence is already real practice.
And if you feel brave, write your sentence in the comments. We love reading them. Honestly, they make our day.
They really do. You write, we read, and other learners see your example and think, oh, I can say it like that too. So your sentence actually helps more people.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please tap like and subscribe to Let's Talk English. It really helps more learners find us, and it tells us, yes, keep making episodes like this.
Yes, every like, every subscribe, it means the world to us. It keeps this little cozy podcast alive.
So thank you for spending this time with us today. Wherever you are, bus, kitchen, bedroom, gym, we're really happy you were here.
This is Mike.
This is Sarah.
And you have been listening to Let's Talk English. Have a wonderful weekend, low-key or full of plans. And we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.